Namaste everyone. Welcome to Advait Yoga. So today we have the topic about slip disc. What is a slip disc? Before know the slip disc, we have to know about the spinal cord. In the spinal cord, we have the 26 vertebrae. It's divided into 5 parts. First is cervical, second thoracic, lumbar, sacrum and coccyx. In the cervical we have the 7 vertebrae, thoracic 12, lumbar we have the 5 and sacrum and coccyx we have the 1 vertebrae. So what is the disc? This time we know about the disc. What is the disc? Disc is ये हमारे दो वर्टिब्रास के बीच में एक गद्देनुमा आकार की या फिर शेप की होती है जो कि दो वर्टिब्रास को आपस में घर्षण होने से रोकती है. जब डिस्क में सूजन आ जाना या फिर इसमें इसका घिस जाना या फिर इसका अपनी जगह से खिसक जाना जो कि स्लिप डिस्क कहलाता है, जिसके कारण नंबनेस का बने रहना या फिर बॉडी में टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन का फील होना या फिर मसल्स में वीकनेस आ जाना. इसको क्योर कैसे करें? इसको क्योर करने के लिए मैं आपको कुछ योगा आसन बताऊंगी जिसको करने से आपको बेनिफिट मिलेगा और आई एम श्योर कि आप इसका लाभ उठा सकते हैं. पर आसन बताने से पहले सबसे पहले आपको मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा. लेट्स बिगिन. आवर फर्स्ट पोस्चर इज ताड़ासना. Ready for Tadasana. Take your tailbone in, rolling your shoulders back and down. Lock your knees, lock your elbows. Now with inhalation, raising your both arms up, interlock your fingers, palm facing upward. Yes. Stretch your whole body upward, but don't lift your shoulders up, taking your shoulders down. Now very slowly lifting your heels up, come up on your toes, your tailbone in, suck your belly in, chin up, look ahead, breath normal and continuously keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Stretch it properly. You feel the stretching your each and every muscles. If you are beginner, you can take the wall support if you can't find the balance here. Very slowly just taking your heels down and exhale your arms down. Release your posture. Our next practice is next asana, Kati Chakrasana. This time feet apart, again your tailbone in. Take your palms front of the chest, bend your elbows, yes. Now properly with exhale, just twist your upper body from the right side. Yes, open your back palm, your back arm, twist your upper body, just control your hips here. Keep breathing, staying here for 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back, switch your side. Now exhale, twist from the left side. Tailbone in, look back, stay here for 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come into the center. Exhale, just take your arms down and release. You can do this practice from yourself 10 times, 20 times, as much as you can. We have the next practice is back bending. For the back bending, slightly legs apart, feet apart. Again rolling your shoulders back and down. Now this time put your palms on your buttocks, your fingertips down. Yes. Now slowly with inhale just back bending but keep your knees straight, your tailbone in, taking your hips forward. Look towards the ceiling. Very nice. Go back, look towards the ceiling. Tight your abdomen. Just continuously open your eyes. Feel the stretching on your back. This is really good exercise for the slip disc. Stay here for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Release. So we have the next practice is Pavan Muktasana in a standing. So this time just slightly legs together. If you are beginner, you could just feet apart. Now bend your right leg. Yes. Catch your right leg properly, interlock your fingers and your toes pointing downward. Just press your thigh on the abdomen. Take your tailbone in and find the balance on your left leg. If you can't find the balance here, so you can take the wall support. Yes. Stay here and feel the stretching this time on your right buttock. Now slowly with exhale, release your posture, take your right leg down. Now we will do same practice with the left leg. This time bend your left leg with inhale, catch your leg, exhale properly, press your thigh on the abdomen. Very nice, toes pointing. Your right knee should be erect. Stay here. This is also good for the slip disc. You can stay here for the long time as much as you can. Now very slowly release your posture. Take your leg down. Beginner, you can take the block. You can take the block support. So first put the block behind your back. Yes. So now with inhale, raising your both arms up properly. Now exhale, twist your upper body from the right side. Now place the left palm on the right leg and place your right palm on the block. Yes. Just keep pressing your palms and twist your upper body properly, but don't lift your left buttock up. Continuously keep your left buttock down, press it down. Your both shoulders in a line. Now come back, switch your side with inhale, raising your both arms up. Twist your upper body from the left side. Yes, switch your arms. Open your chest here. Look back properly. Twisting is really good exercise for the slip disc. Generally, if you have back pain, so you can do the twisting. Now slowly come back. Release, taking your arms down. If you are beginner, you can't sit with the cross legs, so this time you can stretch your legs forward. You can do this posture with that. Now flex your toes. So again raising your both arms up with inhale. Twist your upper body. Now put your left palm on the right leg and place your palm on the back palm on the block. Stay here. Now switch your side, come back, raising your arms up from the left side. Yes. Stay here for 5 seconds. 5, 4, open your chest. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back, release. Your arms down, come back. Okay. So we have the next posture. First bend your right leg. So place your foot near your left knee. Now this time raise your left arm up. Now place your right arm behind your back and just cross your left arm, catch your ankle properly, Twist your upper body with exhalation and look back here. Keep active your left leg also. Keep active your back arm also. Try to do here more twist. Yes. Try to keeping your both shoulders in a line and lifting your chest up little bit. Yes. Stay here. Keep breathing. आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पॉस्चर को होल्ड करने की कोशिश करिए. नाउ इसी के साथ कम बैक, लुक अहेड. नाउ स्लोली आर्म्स अप, टेकिंग योर आर्म्स डाउन, stretch your leg forward. So now we will do same practice with the left leg. Bend your left leg. Now place your left palm behind your hip. Cross, yes. Now cross your right elbow. Now this time if you are beginner, so you can do half one. This time you can just bend your elbow and keep your arm erect. Just look back here, open your chest and keep breathing. Stay here, don't lean forward, just lean back and keep active your right leg also. Stay for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, look ahead first, raise your arm and release, come back. So now we have the prone postures. So first, ready for first asana. First asana is Sarpasana. So legs together, palms beside your chest. So here just if you are beginner, you can just open your legs like hips width apart. Otherwise, you can join your legs together. It's okay. So now this time, very slowly lifting your chest up. Yes, up and slightly bend your elbows. Lift your chest up, put your navel region down. Yes. Stay here, keep pressing your palms down. Rolling your shoulders back, look towards the ceiling, press your legs down. Stay here. Now slowly with exhale, take your chest down first and then chin down. Come back. So we have the next variation of Sarpasana. So this time take your palms little forward and put your elbows down, both elbows down. Spread your fingers, pressing your palms and elbows down. Now with inhale, lift your chest up, shoulders back and yes, chest and chin up. Keep pressing your palms and elbows down. Now feel the compression on your back. Stay here. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly with exhalation, just take your chest down and chin down. So you can repeat this practice 5 to 10 times. So this time we have the next position is supine posture. So lie down on your back. So in the supine posture, we have the first asana is Setubandhasana. For the Setubandhasana, just bend your knees, both knees one by one. Yes. Now this time palms down, keep pressing your palms down. And with inhalation, keep pressing your feet and palms down, lifting your buttocks up. Yes. More up. As much as you can, just lift your buttocks up. Stay here for 5 seconds. Keep breathing. Tight your glutes here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly with exhale, take your buttocks down. One more time. Just lift your buttocks up with inhalation. Try to take your buttock more up. Exhale down. Last time, inhale up. and exhale down. Just take your buttocks down, release. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. सो प्लीज़ इस जानकारी को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में या फिर जिन लोगों को इसकी नीड है. सो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए और इसको लाइक करिए. हिट द बेल आइकन ऑल्सो. थैंक यू सो मच. मैं मिलती हूँ आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ.